Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, let me go ahead and remind you to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you know the next time I upload a video. Alright you guys, so today is going to be a little different. I have not done a FabFitFun unboxing in a little while. I think I missed last season, so we are now on the spring box. I did not do a review for the winter box. I think my last one might have been for the fall. So I'm excited because I always feel like the FabFitFun box always has such nice goodies included, and so it's like it's always Christmas all over again for me. So in every box, they always have these little nice magazines, and I'm so glad to see my girl Venus Williams on the cover. Come through, Venus. Y'all better represent. Y'all better represent Venus, okay? Yes. All right. So they always include, it's always a lot of nice articles and everything included in this magazine. But what I particularly like is they have a page with all of the descriptions of all the items that could potentially be in your box. So they have a list of a bunch of items, but not everything is in your box. It's based on the type of things you selected or the type of preferences you have for your specific subscription. So I'll be sure to include price points and any discount codes that I have if you're interested in subscribing to the FabFitFun box subscription. All right, so let's get into this box and see what goodies we have this time. And I'm just pulling out random products as I see them in this box. So the first thing I have is, Champagne Charcoal Scrub. And this is by Mana Kadar. Never heard. It's an exfoliant champagne au charbon. Sounds French. Au charbon. I don't know. Just sounds like it's French. So this product detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. So it's a body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. Yes, honey. So it's a relaxing. All right, so you know, I don't know if you know from any of my other unboxing, but I am a sniffer and I kind of like to smell everything. Gotta have a great seal. That just kind of makes or breaks the product for me. If it smells wonderful, I just like good scents, y'all. My nose appreciates good scents, okay? All right, so, ooh, it is really charcoal. It's like this little black scrub up in here. I'm not gonna open it all the way. I just cut a little hole. Oh. So that's like more of a fruity smell, but it smells so good. What's in here? I'm looking at the ingredients, y'all. Hold on. Oh, it didn't tell me anything fruity, but it smells delicious. That smells so good. Oh my gosh. All right. So far, so good. So far, so good. I can't wait to try this because I love me a good exfoliant. How many of you exfoliate your face? It's important. It's super important to exfoliate. All right. So the next product I'm pulling out is by Corres. I don't know if you're supposed to use the R on the double R, but it says Corres. And this is in the scent Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Brightening Sleeping Facial. I wonder if you just leave it on. This is a weightless souffle that melts instantly into skin for intense hydration and brightening overnight. Ooh, so you leave it on overnight. Yes. All right, let me open this. See if I get a good smelling reaction. Lord, please, yes. I'd be so disappointed when the stuff either don't have a scent or smells disgusting. It's light. So if you are not into scents, this might be for you. It's hard to really smell anything. I mean, it's a very faint scent. So you might like it. It smells like flowers. And I guess that's why it's wild rose scent. Yeah, it smells like flowers, but very, very light. So you might like this. And I'm going to actually try this and let you know. All right, nighttime facial serum. All right, so the next item I have is by Dr. Brandt. Skin Changing Science. Yes, honey, I just like the little tagline. Skin Changing Science. Okay. Needles no more. No more baggage. This is an eye depuffing gel. Do I ever need this in my life? I am not trying to admit that I am pushing 40. Yes, I'm pushing 40. And so all the help that I can get to get rid of any kind of aging around the eyes, hallelujah. Okay, hallelujah. Okay, so this visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. All right, so this is a little tube. Let's see. All right, so you know I'm going to smell it. You know I'm going to test it. I'm not going to test it on my eyes because, like, my makeup is going to be all over the place. Oh, it comes out in this little peach color. Who knew? And just in case you were interested, this is what the little tube looks like. All right. Ooh, nice and soft. No scent. But I'm still going to try it because I'm here for the eyes and keeping my eyes youthful. Hello? Hello, somebody. Hello! All right. Let's move on. Oh, this little bang is working my last nerve, y'all. Hold on. Let me get my life together. Come on. Give me some act right. Give me some act right. All right. Next, I have, ooh, if I try to say this, owie, owie. You try to figure it out. Owie, O-U-A-I. Okay, so that's by Owie. And this is hair care. This is a leave-in conditioner. A multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing and or heat styling for added conditioning, thermal protection, and control. Okay, hair product. Let's see. Can I get in here? This sucker look like it's sealed like Fort Knox. Oh, not too bad. It's not too bad, but yeah, it says a leave-in mist. This little thick consistency is not giving me mist, but let's see. Shake it. It's like thick. It's like cream in here, but we talking about mist. Okay. Yeah, it came out like a mist, but it's so thick in here. This is like real thick and creamy. What am I getting? Like ocean breeze. It's nice. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. Everybody don't like scents, but I am a scent fan, okay? Alright, so I can try this. Yeah, I'm here for the leave-in. And especially if it's going to give me some control and a thermal protection. I can use this before I do my blowout, which I don't do that often, but if I wanted to. Yeah, that smells good. I like that. Alright, let me wipe that off. All right, let's see what else we got. So I am pulling out, this is by Daily Concepts, individuals who think in the shower. You know, that is so true, y'all. I probably do 80% of my thinking in the shower. and I'd be so mad, and cause you can't write in the shower, so I'd be hoping I can remember everything I'm thinking. I do so much thinking in the shower. That's all, yeah. I mean, it's just like a coincidence. Yeah, I'm like, that's me all day. Always thinking in the shower. All right, anywho. So this is a daily detox massaging brush. And they have like 3 levels here: gentle, mild, or vigorous. And this is apparently vigorous. Oh, that feels hard. This is for radiant skin. So it's ideal for smoothing and softening skin to give you radiant skin. All right, I need to open it and feel this thing. It feels rough, like through the plastic. But I guess that's the idea. That's the intent. All right, got the little handle. Slide your little hand through and yeah. And then it has these little, so it has these little hard bristles, but then it got these little soft, these little white soft bristles as well. Not that oh yeah, you can feel those. Yeah, not as much as the hard bristles though, but you can feel them a little bit. Cute. Cutesy. That's cutesy. All right. So the next item I'm pulling out is Lavido. Or maybe it's just Lavido. We just gotta add extra. Lavido. Probably just Lavido. Inspired by nature. Ooh. So just by reading, I know this smells good. So this is mandarin, orange, and oh Lord, I feel like I'm about to mess up this word. Bergamot, bergamot. I don't know. Bergamot, whatever that is. So this is an aromatic body lotion. Hydrate, nourish, and protect. I knew it was citrusy. It actually tells you it's citrus because, it's orange, mandarin, and whatever this word is. Bergamote. I don't know. You tell me. You tell me how to say it so I can say it correctly. Okay? Ooh. Yeah, that smells just like an orange family. Very citrusy. Yeah, that smells good. That smells wonderful. Let me go on and rub that all over. Yeah, that's going to get some good use for sure. I don't mind walking around smelling citrusy. All right, another product, once I get all this little filler off of it, this is Sit by Swill. Insulated to keep your drinks cold up to 24 hours and hot up to 12 hours. Okay. I feel like I got a ton of these, but hey, one more won't hurt. Okay. I can't tell how much it holds. That's what I was looking for. Oh, 15 ounce. 15 ounce little canister here. Bam. All right, moving on. I think I only have like one more item. No, not the end. I hate when I get to the end. I want to keep up with this stuff. All right, so last but definitely not least, I don't know what this is yet. So let's just bust up in the mug. Bust up in here. All right, so it comes in this little baggie, whatever it is. All right, looking like a tote bag. What I'm gathering. Oh, it's a little backpack. Ooh, I could use this. I'm about to go on some vacations. And I just told myself I need a little backpack for my trips. Right on time. Ain't God good? Ain't God good? Care instruction card. Alright, so it has like this linen with the leather exterior with leather straps. This is kind of cute. I really need a backpack. I'm about to go to Mexico next week. Then I'm going to Italy in a couple months. Then I'm going to for traveling, I need a backpack. This is cute. It's kind of spacious too. Lots of room. A roomy little backpack. Cutesy roomy backpack. This is going to get some good use. Alright, y'all. So, that is the end of my unboxing. I will leave all of the details of all of the items down below, as well as the quarterly amount for this FabFitFun box, because I don't remember the top of my head. My memory is not too swift, but I'll leave all those deets for you. I'm sure there is a coupon code somewhere. There always is. I will leave that in the description box. So if you are interested in getting this little FabFitFun, what I call Christmas box, because you just never know what you're going to get. And you just get a bunch of goodies. Like, who doesn't love goodies? It's always something for the hair. It's always something for the skin. So if you enjoy that type of stuff, you may be interested in this box. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and also hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye, y'all.